In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a project to a PDF in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Asana account. Navigate to the specific project that you want to export. This could be a project with all your tasks, timelines, or any other information you need to share. Once you're on that project page, look at the top near the project title. You should notice a small caret icon. Click on that. After you click the caret icon, you'll see a drop-down menu pop up. This menu provides several options, including syncing or exporting. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the option that mentions printing or exporting. Once you find it, give it a click. This action will open up the project print settings on your screen, preparing it for the next steps. Now, you'll want to focus on the destination section in the print settings. By default, it might be set to print to a physical printer. But since our goal is to create a digital document, we need to change this setting. Find the option that allows you to save as a PDF and select it. Next, let's talk about the page size. You'll find options like A4 or letter size presented in the settings. Depending on your preferences or the requirements of those who will receive the PDF, choose the format that works best for you. A4 is often used for international documents, while letter size is standard in the US. Now, as we adjust the appearance, we need to consider how we want the content to be displayed on the page. You'll notice the option to change the page orientation as well. You can choose to go for portrait mode, which is vertical, or landscape mode, which is horizontal. Selecting landscape can sometimes be beneficial for projects with wide tables or numerous tasks, ensuring that all your content fits neatly on the page. Once you've made all your adjustments and you're satisfied with how it looks, it's time to save the document. You should see a Save button on the Print Settings page. Go ahead and click that. After clicking, a dialog will appear prompting you to name your PDF file and choose where to save it. Pick a location on your device that's easy for you to remember, maybe your desktop or a specific folder. And just like that, watch the magic happen. Your project will be exported as a PDF file and saved to your device. Now that it's done, take a moment to check your result. Open the PDF file to ensure everything looks as expected. You should see all your project details neatly organized and ready to share with your team or stakeholders. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in learning how to export your Asana project to a PDF. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tutorials like this one. Thanks.